Hi guys, this is Silas. Today we'll review and unbox the Huawei Watch GT2 Sports. Previous video we will watch Watch GT2e, which is much more sport oriented watch. And today we will review this model, this guy. This guy is much more classical. It has a much more classical design. Let's look at the box. The front face has just a picture of watch and just name it and millimeter. This side doesn't have. The back of the box has some important information about name, wrist type and others. Let's open the box. And yes, just our famous knife. Let's look at the box, inside the box, what we have in the box. If let me just open it. Yes, when we open the box, just watch. It has good introduction. The watch, and this part we have some. This is USB cable, USB Type-C cable, charge dock, and some paper which is we never use, never read it. Let's look at the box. Let's look at the watch. Yes, just put it here. Yes, watch has a good design. It's a little bit different when we look at the front face. It has tachometer, just and a good AMOLED screen. The button size is different than this guy. And here we have speakers. And let's look at the bottom of the watch. Here we have a sensor, and we can put on like this mechanism. And here it writes Huawei Watch GT. Let's open the watch. Yes, it's booting up, and look at this one. Yes, when we open it, it connects immediately. Let's look at just application. It has some information about watch, about battery, steps, calories and distance. This is watch faces, which one you want to change, you want to use it. And also we have alarm, if you want to set up alarm, health monitor. We have a few sections here if you want to track your sleep, if you want to make activity remember when you sit on, like us, just sit on the live an hour, you can put this one, enable it. Continuous rate height monitoring and stress test. And also we have music. If you want to put music on watch, you can just transfer it. We have your phone to your watch. You can use your earbud, Bluetooth earbud, just connect your watch. And weather reports, and also favorite contacts to make call. Yes, this watch has speakers and microphone. You can just use your watch for calling. This is notification enabling. Just you can decide which one enable or not. This is a few application, a few information about watch. And yes, we have a firmware update here. Yes, and let's look at the watch. Watch has a good design, this button you can change. It is customizable button. Now just use it for workout. This is menu button. In the menu we have a few section. For example, we have weather, notification, contacts, sleep, heart rate, workout status. Yes, you know, this guy has extremely good battery life. When you put just hold on the face, you can change the face. We have a few information about face, and good face here. I like this face because it has some information about watch. Yes, this guy Has a lot of information, a lot of specs. I will review with this guy after review and comparison between to this guy. Which is good, which is your decision. What do you think about this watch? Is it a watch to compete it with Galaxy Watch or Apple Watch, or just it is a band? You think that? What do you think about this watch? Please comment below. Thanks for your watching and catch up you next